Hey you guys, in this video we're going to draw a chocolate Easter bunny. I hope you're going to follow along with me. Let's get started. Before we start, I want to give you a quick preview of how our chocolate Easter bunny turned out. It looks really cool. I hope you're excited to follow along with me. For this lesson, I'm first using a pencil and eraser to draw the main shapes of our Easter bunny. We're going to draw the head and also an oval for the body. Then we're going to switch to our marker to finish the drawing and also use our other markers to color with. But also remember, you can use whatever you have, like colored pencils or even crayons. This lesson is perfect for artists of any age, but it's also a little more advanced because we're using our pencil. But don't worry about making your drawing look just like mine. The most important thing is to have fun and practice. Let's first draw the main shape for our Easter bunny's head. We're going to draw a circle right here close to the middle of our paper. I'm going to draw it about this big. You can go over it a couple times to get it just the way you want it too. That's the nice thing about using a pencil. So I'm going to just kind of smooth out some of those bumps. But don't worry about making these lines look perfect because they're just guidelines. All right, now let's draw the body. We're going to draw an oval shape and we're going to draw it about this big. And we're overlapping our circle where the neck is. There we go. That's our main shape for our bunny. Now we're going to switch to our marker. Let's start by drawing our little Easter bunny's ears. We're going to draw them coming up to the top left, and we're going to come back down. Then we're going to draw the back of our Easter bunny's head. We're going to curve around, and we'll go a little past and into the body. Okay, now let's draw the front of our Easter bunny's head. We're going to go over the pencil line, but then we're going to stop where the nose is and come out. Then we're going to curve around and then back into the pencil line. Now down here, let's draw our little Easter bunny's bow tie. We're going to draw a backwards letter C for the knot. Then we're going to draw the big bow. It's going to kind of look like a backwards C too. And we're going to draw a line connecting that down. Okay, now for the front or the other side of the bow, we're going to come down. And then we're going to curve back up. There's a little bow. Now we can connect the head into the bow. All right, now let's draw the rest of our Easter bunny's head. First, let's draw the eye. I'm going to draw a circle. And we can draw the little highlight too that I like add in to make the eyes look shiny. Maybe this is candy for the eye. And then we can draw the nose. We'll draw a little curve here, and then we can color that in too. And then the mouth. We can draw a little smile. Okay, now we're ready to draw the other ear. We'll draw it over here, come back down, and then connect to the head. And that's it for the head. Now we're ready to draw the body. We're going to start here, and we're going to curve around, come down our Easter bunny's back, and then we're going to come over here to the front. We're going to draw the chest of our Easter bunny, and we're going to stop there. Now we're ready to draw the front leg. First, let's draw a curve coming down and connecting to the chest. Also, if I ever go too fast, remember you can pause the video for extra time. Okay, now let's curve around for our Easter bunny's front paw, and we'll come back up for the leg. And then let's make it look a little more 3D by adding another paw right next to it. Okay, now we're ready to draw the back leg. We're first going to draw the big leg that's bent, and we're going to stop right here at the pencil line. So it looks like a backwards letter C. Then we're going to draw the back foot curving down, and also we could add a little bump out for the heel, and then we're going to curve around to the front. Then right here we can connect in with the belly line and also draw the other back leg. And then we need a tail, so let's just draw a simple little letter C. And oh, one more thing, we need to add the collar for our bow tie. And we did it! We finished drawing our chocolate Easter bunny, except it doesn't look like chocolate. We still need to color it. This part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video and take time to color your drawings. We're just going to color it brown for chocolate. But also, before we use our markers to color with, we're going to use our eraser to erase any of the pencil lines we can still see. All right, let's speed things up. We did it. We finished coloring our chocolate Easter bunny and it turned out so much better all colored in. I hope you're gonna take time to color your drawings too. You can pause the video to match my same coloring. I really just colored the whole thing brown, except for the bow. I changed that to a light blue. And I used a darker brown to add a little shadow on the right side of the bunny. Also used it for a shadow inside of this first ear. If you use markers like me, you can use a white colored pencil to layer on top and add a highlight. This makes the chocolate look somewhat shiny. You could also add more things to your chocolate bunny, like decorations or extra toppings, like maybe even write Happy Easter on it. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me and drawing a chocolate Easter bunny, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.